I just came up with a brand new way to make collectible plushies by combining 3D printing with fuzzy pipe cleaners. I haven't seen anything else like it, so I'm super excited to share it with you and show you how to make your own. You're going to want to download this file and print it. It's available on my Patreon or Things, and then remove all the supports. For the purpose of this demonstration, I'm going to use 3 different pipe cleaner colors. You're going to want to pull the pipe cleaner through the top 2 holes of the head, and then pull it through all the way. And then twist it at the bottom. Take your second pipe cleaner and make a knot. And then thread the first pipe cleaner through that knot you just made. And then secure it. Now take the right side of that pink pipe cleaner, and there's a hole at the bottom and top of the right ear, and thread it through. Pull it tight and do the same for the other side. Now take your third pipe cleaner and then turn the head around. There's going to be 2 holes at the back of the head. You're going to want to thread from one side to the other. Now take one side of that white pipe cleaner and thread it from the bottom to top of the little hole that the pink pipe cleaner creates between the face and it. And then thread it through all the way. And then you're going to want to twist the pink and white pipe cleaner together at the top. And do the same for the other side. Now turn the head around, take one end of the pink pipe cleaner and thread it through the bottom loop of the pink pipe cleaner, like shown. And then pull it tight. Do the same for the other side. And the purpose of this step is to basically create coverage on the back of the head so that the 3D print doesn't show through. We're gonna keep creating coverage at the back of the head, and we do this by taking the white pipe cleaner and thread it across to the other side. At this point, I like to pinch things around just so that the ears show up more clearly and just kind of make everything flat. Twist the bottom 2 ends of the pink pipe cleaner to secure it. So at this point we're done with the head and we're going to be moving on to the arms. Take the blue pipe cleaner, and I like to make it a finger's length long and twist it. Now take the pink pipe cleaner and wrap it around that arm that you just created. And do the same for the other side and make sure that the 2 pink pipe cleaners cross in the front. Now take that white pipe cleaner and thread it through the hole that you created by wrapping the pink around the arm. And now we're moving on to the legs. We're gonna take the right blue and white pink pipe cleaner and make a little leg shape and then twist it to secure, and do the same for the other side. And at this point you're done making the doll. We just need to work on tucking in the open ends. I would just wrap things around depending on how much you have left, and tuck it in wherever you can find space. Another option you have, if you want this to be super secure, is to glue down the tucked in ends. I lost footage of this part, but I basically trimmed the printlet so that it was shaped clearly like a cat by trimming around its ears and flattening down everything. And then I added a ball keychain through the top loop. And you're basically done. You have your own kitty printlet. Thank you so much for watching. I have the link for the face up on things and Patreon, as well as the links to the pipe cleaners I used.